Irene Nduku Makau niwaithwa Kithitu cha Wia Kutw'Ika Minista wa Utandithya, kithio na utalii silikalini ya kaunti ya Makueni. Vala waususya mwanya wa mututia Dr. Sonia Nzilani ula watiiwe ni thayu mwaini wa ikumi na umwe mwakani muthelu. Irene alolotetwe ena sera wayua ula nake unendekethetwe kususya mwanya wa minista wa uimi na uithya wa indo. Indi Irene avitukithwa eweka ni mbunge ya kaunti ya Makueni wakatatu wa chuma kivitu itina wa wayua kunengane mvalua machati na kuema kuvikia iwango ila inendeka kususya mwanya wa minista wa uimi. Mulei Mulinge nukuelezea.
Irene Nduku Makau
nikavene kalawa ya Kithitu cha kususya mwana wa minista wa Utandithya ula withitwo imuthiku ambewa mie monza uyu walaine na Irene Makau mwili wa ikithia kuendesya uya muvya uo Utandithya kwa Kithitu uo uikiku na umilum.
That I shall diligently discharge my duties and perform my functions in the said office to the best of my judgment and ability, that I shall at all times, when required, faithfully and truly give my counsel and advice to the governor of Makueni County, that I shall do justice to all. So help me God.
Vakuvesi mwili mbetu mpungi ya Makueni ya thuimia Irene vamwana sera waliola uletere kususya mwana wa minista wa uimi na uithya wa indo. Nithine walivoti ya bunge sio wakatatu muvitu ya vitukithya Irene wekana kulea waliola yuwetakana na mavolo wa machati. Valote na Irene peni na mwendo. Alexander Chalo Munyao, Jones Makau na kale bithu maithwa Kithitu. Kwitha membo manza maya mundu usifaya mbo ni K.A. Lena soviwe o yumetokem.
We gave the promise to the people of Mombasa Road, led by Katumo na Huyu, DS, that we will set up another municipality. The thing that is between us and that municipality is this board. So get this board to be inducted, waanze kazi, so that we embark on yet another municipality along Mombasa Road. Then we go up to the hill where DG was over there last week, about the other area. We must make Makueni urban in its entirety. Hakuna mambo ya rural, because we are on the highway.
Ongi Julius mwanya niwaithwa Kithitu kwitha ofisa munene muvyani wa nlemana Engineer David Makau. Aithwa Kithitu cha Kutw'Ika ofisa muvyani wa Kuithw'A na mama ofisangi ma kaunti ya Makueni manengo mavalua makwambatende them.
We have seen members of staff who have been promoted, who have received their promotional letters even after serving for many years. And that means that the board, we are happy that you're doing your work, because every public servant, they need to be promoted regarding taking into consideration the career progression guidelines that have been laid in place.
Specifically thank the board for being very astute, led by the chairman, Kasamba, CEO, for making sure that we have merit, and of course the assembly. A lot of this team from the assembly, led by you, DS and Clark, got a lot of beating last week for no good earthly reason. You makosa si yeye. You did what you're supposed to do. We must follow merit. And if you had done it any other way, there would have been more questions than answers. Because had you corrected the documents in the assembly, what would you have done with the documents in my office and the documents before the panel? How would you have corrected?
Kufikia serikali ya Makueni na miana ile maminista tembuzo wiva uane maana ula wakiwe na maminista ula wiva wakiwe kutia wea. Mutongo TV kuma wote kaunti na Makueni. Nyeni toa mulei Mulingem.